Alright guys, welcome back to another video. We're out here on the Royal Enfield Himalayan testing out the new Mitas E-09 tyres I have on the bike. Just replaced my MT60s with them, so let's see how they do. So far, so good. They've been really nice in the mud. Pretty disappointed with them in the sand. Whether that's me as a rider or the tyres themselves, I don't know. But the MT60s did feel better. I've never been down this trail before, so I'm also riding quite slow because I've got a bunch of cameras in my bag. Alright guys, yeah, that trail was a dead end. It's a military of defence training area and private fishing, so we will not be going that way. But yeah, I've taken his tyres out once before this video with the lucky biker. He said I was probably, I don't know, about like double the speed I was before. So they have definitely made a difference. I felt a difference. They're not as bad on the road as I thought they'd be as well. They do whistle. I did do 30 miles to get here on the A3. A lot of two-strokes out today. Some guys have been up and down this trail all day. It's probably the best trail so far that I've been on. But yeah guys, I'm still trying to build my confidence with these tyres. But yeah, in all honesty, I'd buy them. I'd be careful about the pictures you see online because they do not look like the pictures at all. I mean, I knew that before I bought them. But yeah, I'll show you what they look like. I'll do a little walk around. They have transformed the bike. It looks so much better now. Also rides a lot better now as well. I used to be terrified of mud. Not anymore. I mean, still a little bit, but not as much. I don't know how deep this is. Not very. Oh, Duke of Edinburgh. Yeah guys, we're coming up to some sand now, and I don't know if you'll be able to see the front end, but it's snakes all over the place. I don't know if that's me as a rider, but yeah, there's hardly any grip on the front. Yep, thank you. Everyone loves to hear me. Cheers guys. Thank you. But yeah guys, if you haven't been around this area and you live kind of local, I'd recommend coming down here. This is just off Frensham Common. Beautiful trails around here. Here's the sand. Let's try first gear. It's not too bad, honestly. Oy. Thank you. Alright, they're not as bad in the sand. If you're giving it some beans, they're alright. But yeah, it seems to be giving it more power through the sand. They're not too bad. I'm also not the most techie rider. I'm not really leaning forward or anything, so I'm pretty sure you're meant to lean forward on sand. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, if you want to practice in the sand, this is the place to go, because it just turns into a sand pit. We have been up that hill. You're not meant to, but we have. Yep, it's just dragging me all over the place. Everyone's on a two-stroke but me. Is that why they're so much better in the sand? Because they're lighter? Like, the Hemi is 190 and T-Shrugs are about 110. But yeah guys, I'm really not confident in the sand with these tyres at all. It's actually quite terrifying and quite embarrassing. I will get good, I promise. Seems like everyone's just doing laps of this and the bumpy trail. Let me try putting my weight over the front. Alright guys, we're going to go back through with our weight over the front. Yeah, we're going to try and go through with our weight over the front. Seems to have helped at that last section. I'm guessing we just hold the bars solid. Kind of just go for it, I guess. I don't know. Probably should have watched the guide on how to ride in the sand before I done this video, but we learn as we go. Alright, here we go. Stay on this tyre track. Whoa. Weight over the front. Try not to put my feet out. I'm absolutely terrified. Just trying to get better in the sand. Oh my god, it's like ice skating. Guys, I'm not joking when I say the bike is diagonal. Oh, we got a little woofer. Try and move over for them. Cheers guys, thank you. Well, I feel like I'm getting a little bit better. This is the hard part. This is the really hard part. Okay. That was 100 times better than the first time. Alright guys, well, they're not as bad as I thought in the sand. It was me as a rider. They're still pretty bad. The back is phenomenal. In mud, they're both phenomenal. And in gravel, they're pretty good. Alright guys, yeah, I feel so much more confident in the sand now. Leaning over the front helped a lot. A lot. I'll find a place to stop and do a quick walk around of the bike. But yeah guys, I guess the conclusion is, if you're looking for an adventure tyre, these are the Dakars. They're pretty solid. I've heard they've got some longevity to them. We will see. But yeah guys, do a quick walk around. So yeah, these are the front, obviously. To be fair, they're not that big, the blocks in the front. Those quite let the tyres down. But the gap between the blocks, substantial. And then as you can see on the back, this is where the roll meter of the tyre is. Like a finger width between the blocks. The blocks are about the same height as the front. I don't know how high they are, haven't really measured them. But yeah guys. Alright guys, well, thank you for growing with me. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you. And until next time, ride safe. Peace.